Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So I'm just going to get my mail. I totally forgot. My boss said that I have mail, so I had to go back in and get it. And as y'all can hear, we are outside in the pool. Your girl is bouncing up and down. I see. So in this video, we are going to another state. Basically, they have free movie night at the library, and y'all already know your girl is signed up every year, every month, getting her free books. Nova, her free books and her free t-shirts. So we go to all the libraries that they have we watching The Bug's Life, and we go to all the free libraries where they have the free events. And yes, y'all should do it too, because I am the queen of resources, like I told you. But anywho, I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the video because of course she is jumping up and down making all this noise. Okay, so are y'all about this life? Listen, I have to warn you, if you're not, don't get no pool. I didn't turn the light on because I don't want to right now because I'm filling it up, but it's the solar panel. You just click it and one of these lights will come on, but I don't want it on right now. Hey y'all, so basically I am looking for the homes. We in another state right now, and my realtor told me I need to go see these homes. So let me know in the comment section how they looking, because to me, I want a house that's not connected, right? What do y'all feel about these homes that they connected? They look like brownstones and they all connect. You can hear your neighbor doing Lord knows what. I don't want to hear it. Or you hear them screaming, yelling at their kids, yelling at each other. I don't want to hear that, okay? See that house right there in the front? Now that is like a dream house, but it's too big. And you see it's connected, so that's not good. You're going to have to scratch that. So you know my answer to this little community is no. But if you like it, let me know. It's cute or whatever, but because my house is one of those small homes, the new ones that is coming up and coming, but it's not enough space for me, so I'm about to upgrade. And this is not, get that out your mouth. This is not good. I need a backyard. I need a huge garage. I need a lot of amenities, and I don't really see any out here. So I guess I'm going to call her and let her know that my decision is a negative. So she'll have to look up another one. So do y'all watch My Lottery Dream House? Yes, girl. I've been watching it for years, so you already know it's that time. Now, David need to come, if you're listening, and find My Lottery Dream House. Because I'm ready for somebody else to do this. I already see why you hire realtors, because this is a headache all in itself. But look at these. It's like a little winery. Someone's backyard had it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mommy content. Look at these grapes. Winery. Isn't it cute? Oh my gosh. Y'all see the clouds? And she's in the pool, obviously. So, yes. Y'all have to excuse the noise. But, honey, would y'all like some grapes? Would you like some wine? Do you drink wine? If you don't have to. It's okay. There's no judgment here. But, yes, I do. So, bon appetit. So who has seen The Bug Life? A Bug's Life. But anyway, I saw it like 3 times, but it was so much fun watching it and watching my little girl explore and be creative. Look at this. So I'm literally making her a butterfly and making her a bug, like, you know, something pretty like a bee. But we at the library. I didn't want to get copywritten, so I had to do the voiceover, obviously, because A Bug's Life is on, and I don't know. But look at this. That's the beginning. So it's a clothespin, glue, cut out eyes, cut out like different little shapes, little diamonds or whatever. But it's cute and all that, you know. And we had a caterpillar on the table. We had a butterfly. Look at this. Look at what I did. It's so cute. And that's the head. I'm about to put the head on. The head fell off. Oh. Yeah, look at that. Ew. So cute. That's for her. See? I'm telling her to show the guys. See? Oh. So cute. And she want to put some hands or something, some feet. You know, kids just wouldn't be all over the place. She can't concentrate on one thing. She doing 5, 6 different things. But I did these so cute. And I brought some stuff home also. So like I said, this is in another state. And we literally had to drive. Look at the finishing product. Oh, and then there goes a butterfly. Yeah. And there goes the other ones. So I did one for mommy and one for baby. So she's supposed to be a little one, see? Like little princess. So the little ant, they had crowns on and everything. See? She had so much fun. Let's see. Let's hear what she's saying. Wow. Did you do that?
No, my mommy did it.
Oh, I did it. Okay. That's okay. One is me, one is you. So cute. Look at this. So cute. Hi.
He said hi to me.
He said hi. He said hi. He said hi. That's good. Good job. Don't be a weirdo. Good. You want to go inside? Look at all these cute things. Look at all these cool things. You have Reedley. Look at this. You don't want to come look at this? Huh? Come on, we gotta go look at the movie, remember?
No, we can go what a movie.
You can't stay by yourself, Chum.
Mommy, I want to be here.
I can play. You wanna play it? Look. Show me how to do it. Look. Look. It's moving it around.
Thank you for finding
Hey.
So, is there a Mrs. Ann you have to come home? I'm sorry. I thought he was real. Oh, dear. Put that thing in my car.
Uh-oh.
Flick, after much deliberation.
Let me see. Go, 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 go. Ooh, we gonna switch? You feel like switching? Beep, beep, beep. Were you backing up? Look at how cool this is.
Mom, it's hard. Mom, don't do that.
Okay, go ahead.
Mommy, no.
And we're ready.
Now we want to do it again.
Okay.
Word did it.
Sorry.
The word made it up. Wait. Ready. Set. Go.